friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Easter Mickey Mouse. So first let's get started with our hat. And we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down on the left, as well as moving over on the right and replicating that. Now that we've drawn our two diagonal lines, on the top we're going to connect this together with a nice big straight line. And then moving down underneath on the bottom, let's replicate that again. Let's move over on both sides now, drawing in another diagonal line that comes up towards the top. And then now from here, again, we're just going to close this off with another straight line. Moving down slightly, let's replicate that. For the bunny ears up above now, we're going to start in the center, curving this line around, and then down on the right. And then we're going to move over on the left, starting on the top. And again, we're just going to replicate that, bringing that around and then in towards the bottom. Now from here on the side, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then again on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then back in. Before we draw in the Mickey ears, we're going to come down and draw in the body first. We're going to create the shape of an Easter egg. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around, bringing that in towards the middle. And then again, we're going to move over on the right, replicating that, connecting that on the bottom. Now from here, let's draw in the Mickey ears. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around, and then in, and then we'll move over on the right and replicate that. Now let's draw in the nose. So moving in towards the top, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. And then moving up above, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right for the bottom of the eyes. Now from here on the right, let's arch this line around, and then down on the side. And then we'll leave a gap, curving that down on the left. For the pupil starting on the inside, let's arch this line down. And now on the top, let's draw in a nice big circle for the highlight. Moving down now, let's draw in a straight line across, coming underneath her nose and all the way over towards the right. On the side now, we're going to curve this line in towards the middle. And then starting from that point, we're going to arch this line back down. Moving down now, let's draw in the bow in the center. So we're going to draw in a nice big circle. On the right, curving this line around and then up. And then now moving over on the left-hand side, let's replicate that. And then in the middle, we're just going to curve a line that arches out on both sides. Moving underneath, let's draw in the letter V. Moving out, let's replicate that again. Now from here, we're going to bring this diagonal line in towards the side of the bow. And then again, we're going to bring this line out. And then from that point, just bringing this back in towards our top line. And then underneath, we're just going to draw in a circle. And then moving further up beside the bow, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line on both sides, closing that off. And that is it. That's how you draw Easter Mickey Mouse. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.